again. I know I've been like disappearing and been here and there, but today, like, I've been with my sister and I honestly was just like having major epiphanies all day today. And I'm here to make the video because, after spending time with her and talking with her, I was like, you know what? I need to talk to my little family on YouTube, just to shout you guys out and let you know, like, I'm reading all of the comments and I see what you're asking about. And one of those questions was really intriguing and sparked a conversation which kind of related to what I was going through with my sister today. But I did have a subscriber that made a comment on a video that is, uprising on my channel. I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm a girl that is a single mommy. I'm not married, no rings. That has a son that traveled across the country to make a new and like interesting life for myself and my son. And one of those questions just kind of like sparked a bell, and I do believe it was a question that related to, how did I move, and you know, is anybody else experiencing any credit issues? And so I can't remember like exactly what she wrote, but I will insert that information in the comment that she posted on the video inside, either before or in between or after this video, but I'm gonna post it. But like the number one question that like I feel like you guys are getting back, or like that kind of troubles you and stops you from moving, is money. Okay? Honestly, like money sometimes can make the world go round, but if you're smart enough to educate yourself and understand how to, manage your money, it can really, really benefit you, especially if you are in the situation where you're like, look, girl, I have to move, but girl, I don't have the credit to do so. Okay? So I'm gonna give you guys like a notification or like a bell ringer in this video that says that I'm listening, I hear y'all, and trust and believe I have a solution. Because girl, I don't have the best credit either. Okay? I didn't have the best credit either. My credit is uprising, but I'm gonna tell you how to fix some things. So if anybody's going through, a low credit score, or if you're going through issues like you have judgments on your credit, which is preventing you from getting a new place, girl, hit me up. Let me know, interact with me, and tell me so that I can make more videos that gear towards those girls that are really trying to make the moves. And I don't know about you guys, but one of my favorite movies, like from back in the day when I was in college, was Two Can Play That Game. And if you know that movie, you know that my girl Vivica Fox always says, if you don't know, you better ask somebody. So, girl, now is the time to pick my brain, to let me know if that is really stopping you from making this move. If it is, girl, I have a solution and I have a video for you as well. And I just want to know, like what you guys are thinking. And if you want my presence here, because I'm like all for knowledge and like educating people that live lives like myself, like knowledge is powerful. And if I can share that information with those that really, really want it, that really, really want to make the move, that like can transition themselves smoothly and easily, let me know, hit me up, okay? If you guys have any questions, I'm gonna like verbalize my email address, and then I'm gonna pop it up like somewhere in this video so that you can see it too. But my email address and contact information will be below in the description bar, but I'm gonna post it in this video too. And my email address is bgcmeans bgcmeans @gmail.com. Okay? Let me know. If credit is the issue, like I can make another video that helps you guys move forward or that can help you move forward if that's the main reason why you can't leave. Okay? If it is something like, hey, another situation that's going on, let me know, guys. I'm a real life person and I go through real life ups and downs, highs and lows, and I'm down for always helping women that have gone through and have gotten through situations like this. So trust and believe there's light around and down the tunnel, and I'm here to help. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. And like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know how you feel. If this is, if what I'm posting is really helpful, that's what I want to do, because my channel is not, for the big YouTubers. And I find uniqueness and creativity, and I find that is, authentic. And if it's not a big, I'm not a big YouTuber, but what I'm trying to say is that if you choose to listen, just let me know so that I can make more videos and, provide more information for the people that really, really need it and really, really want it. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. BGC means.